This is your 10-minute dance workout, but it is dance fitness. It's a little bit of fun because, let's be honest, I can't dance, but it's a great aerobic dance style workout. Just 10 minutes, all low impact. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let me just first of all show you a preview of the first move. We're going to do 4 of these rolling arms. Then we go 4 where we're just taking the arm up, and each time we're just doing it tapping the foot out. So we go sets of 4 on either side. So let's get ready. We're going to do each move. We've got 10 different ones for 50 seconds. So let's start with that rolling arm and then just tapping that foot out. Now same side, take the arm up. And now we're going to do that so it's the opposite foot. And how it's going to work today is 10 minutes. You've got your countdown clock in the top right, and on the left around your glitter disco ball you can see the pink line. That's how long we're doing each exercise. And what I'm doing today, I'm coaching you, I'm educating you on how to do all these moves. But the second time you come back to do this workout, mute me and play 3 of your favorite songs, and let us know in the comments down below what 3 songs you used. All right, that's good. And nearly finished on move 1 of 10. And just reach your arm up and tap that foot out. Okay, you just march it out. Let's have a look at your next move coming up. So this one is a really lovely aerobic move. If any of you remember, it's called the Grapevine. So we step the foot across. So we go from side to side. And the great thing is we're doing this at home, so it doesn't matter if you struggle a bit with the move to start with. Just keep practicing and you'll get it. And as said, this one is called a grapevine. And just go from side to side, and we add that little hamstring curl at the end of the move. And all these muscles are really going to help to strengthen your muscles, but still being really kind on your joints. So as said, I want to teach you the first time you do this routine. Second time you come back, you can just have your own music playing. That's good. Just keep traveling that side to side. And well done. All right, that's the second move complete. You just march out. Let's have a look at the third move that we've got coming up for today's dance one. So this one, who remembers the can? We're just going to kick that leg in front and just swing those arms from one side over to the other. And these exercises, all these kind of dance cardio style, are going to really help to boost your heart health and energy levels. And my mission as your online trainer, I've been teaching for over 30 years now, is just to show you that exercise can be fun at home. All right, that's good. And just really be aware of keeping those core tummy muscles pulled in tight as you kick that leg. Make those arms a nice full swing across. And this one here is going to really help to improve your flexibility as well. And well done on that move. Okay, again, you just march out. So let's have a look at the next move. This one is a lovely one. We're going to do a side sweep with the legs. So sweep the foot across and then sweep those arms across. So a really lovely lateral move. And if you want to make this harder, take that step a bit deeper and wider on there, and really focus on drawing those arms all the way up, all the way down and across. So it's a really lovely full body move, and all these exercises are going to really support healthy and sustainable weight loss and weight management. All right, that's good. And drawing those arms up, but as I always say, the bigger picture is it's about our health. It's never about how we look, it's all about what's happening on the inside is what's key. Good. And reach that up, and then well done on there. All right, you just march out. So let's have a look at your next move. This one, we're going to imagine we're catching a star and we're going to put it down on the ground. So we'll work on one side, then the other. So reach up, catch that star, put it down, catch a star, put it down. Then we can take it double arms. And the great thing is also all these moves are going to really help to increase your circulation, and this really in a way then nourishes your entire body when we boost that circulation. And this is where movement really is key for better health. Let's now change, take that to the other leg. So we're grabbing those stars and we're going to put them down on the ground and reach it up. That's good. And reach high, take those stars down. That's good. And all right, well done. So you just march on the spot. Let's have a look at your next move. This one, we're going to do a curtsy and an arm pull down. So let's get ready and take your arms out and then bring them back. So it's this lovely power curtsy here. And again, this is a really lovely full body move. Just think how many joints we're working here: your ankle joint, your knee joint, your hip joint, your shoulder joint, your elbow joint. And the more joints we work, the more muscles we're working. All right, that's good. And nice, powerful move. Doing really well. That's good. Draw those arms down, take that foot behind. And just have fun with each move. And there we go, well done. All right, so let's have a look at the next move. This time we're going to step it forward and then do a hamstring curl on the leg behind. So you'll get the rhythm with this: step forward, then step it out to the other side. And the great thing is, if there's any move that you can't do, just make up your own. It's all about, there's no set way, it's just about moving your body. That's good. And we're really just stepping forward. And this is all about helping to really just improve your mobility. And this just means then we maintain that freedom of movement. The more we move our bodies, the easier it is to move our bodies. And this is where it's great when you're at home, you've got a spare 10 minutes and you've got 3 songs you want to listen to. Just put this on and just do this quick little dance cardio with me. And well done. All right, so let's have a look at your next move. This one, we're just gonna tap the foot slightly over and just kind of bring your knee across. And we're just gonna really lift through those hips, just take those arms over. So as you can see, I'm definitely not a dancer, but I do like to exercise. So it is just my own little combination I've put together for you. So again, just swing those arms over. And this one's really lovely because we're really activating through your waist and through your core as well. And the question is, if you want me to create you more of these very unique dance cardio, then definitely let me know in the comments down below and I can work on some more moves for you. All right, that's good. So just keeping that going. Nearly finished. Equally, you might just say, no, Lucy, please stick to the walking low impact workouts. All right, so next move, this one here, we're going to do a really lovely one. We're just going to take one arm up, one leg out, so opposite arm to leg, and step that foot out, same arm to leg, sorry, and just reach out to the side. And this one really lovely, you can just travel around the room on here, so make the most of the space that you've got. And this will really help to strengthen through your core as well. And it's also great for stability, balance, flexibility and mobility. So just move around that dance floor, make the most of the room that you've got. And the great thing is, at this disco that you can go to at home whenever you want, you can even wear your PJs here. So the great thing is you don't have to be in workout gear. All right, that's good. And nice full stretch on that move. And there we go, well done. And don't forget, do let me know in the comments down below the next time or once you've done your dance cardio, what 3 songs you've done, and we can share it with our community. All right, so let's have a look at your next move. This is the final one. We're just going to do a step forward and then you kind of push the hip up. So we're just stepping and just a little bit of a rotation there. So this is really great again for the abs, the waist, the core. And the beauty of this workout is because you're doing it at home, you could go freestyle. So if you want to just create your own dance move, because as I said, this is just about moving your body. This is about you and I investing in a stronger, healthier, and more resilient you. All right, that's good. I'm nearly done. Last little bit for today's workout. And then what we are going to do, we're going to do a full cool down stretch because that's going to be amazing for your posture, mobility and flexibility. And give yourself a bow. All right, so what I would say is you can hit the pause button because I would suggest having a quick water break for hydration, and then we'll do your cool down stretch. So now we're going to stretch, and your first stretch, as always, we're just going to start with that calf stretch. So make sure both feet are pointing forwards, hands on the bent leg. And remember, this is so key. This really helps just to stretch out our muscles after exercise. And if you ever want to read any of my blogs, have a look at latest news, do head over to my website, lwrfitness.com. Let's feel that stretch through the other leg. Just holding that there. And now we're going to come up, we're going to do that hamstring stretch. So hands on the bent leg, the other leg is extended, feel that through the back of the upper thigh, and especially hamstrings, really important we stretch them. Tight hamstrings often can lead to knee issues, hip issues, back problems. So let's take that to the other leg. And again, just feel that stretch. And as said, this was a little bit of fun, a bit of a different style, but at the end of the day, it's still a low impact full body workout. All right, let's just feel that quadricep stretch. Here's your alternative if you find it uncomfortable doing that style of front thigh stretch. So you just do a bit of a lunge position, tip that hip forward, and that stretch is also really good for your hip flexor as well. So you can choose the one you want. And now what we're going to do, let's take those arms behind and just feel that lovely stretch through your chest. And if you did enjoy this, please do share it, and definitely come and find me on social media, on Facebook, Lucy Squad. Come and join our community. Let's take those hands in front, feel a lovely stretch through your upper back. And now let's just take one arm up and just feel that stretch through the triceps. And I'm going to leave in the comments down below the 3 songs that I filmed this to as well, 3 of my favorite songs. And then let's just feel that stretch through the other arm as well. So well done. There is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done is simply invest in your future health and always say, yes, I can be the best version of myself. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.